Hello everyone, you may have previously seen on my channel a 12-hole rainbow ball. I will now tackle a 20-hole version, much bigger. Here's the 12-hole version for comparison. Made by a company in China, and all the writing on the box is in Chinese. Okay, let's open it up. So this is what it looks like. Slightly larger than a tennis ball, I would say. And exactly the same principle as the 12-hole version. There are 20 sockets, and each socket has a colour. This one is grey, and a corresponding ball that's grey. Black and black, blue and blue. 20 different colours. And the ball comes completed, so each ball is in its correct socket. And there's one socket that's empty. Inside, the 12-hole version was a yellow sponge. This one is a pinkish one. There's a hard pink sponge inside that the balls roll along. I don't know if you can see there. They roll along the sponge. So I will now go ahead and mix up the ball by just pushing them along. Like this, randomly pushing the balls along. Okay, so this is a thoroughly mixed up rainbow ball. That one's in its correct socket, but I think virtually all the others are mixed up. Or that one's okay as well. So solving it is exactly the same principle. The white socket is the home socket, and that should be empty. This one. Now let's call that the North Pole. If this is the Earth, that's the North Pole. Now the way to solve the rainbow ball, you first solve the South Pole, the socket that's furthest from this. So that's this one, blue. This is the first socket to solve. Then you solve the 3 around it. Then you solve the 6 balls around there. The next stage, you solve these 6 balls, and then finally these 4 balls. So with that said, the first goal is to get the blue here, the blue ball here. Here's the hole. So the way to do it is to kind of move the hole. We want to move the hole over here, here. Now we can get this white ball out of the way, and the blue can go in position. That's step 1. Step 2 is to solve these 3. So we need the green here, like that. The white has to go here. So to do that, let's move this hole over this way. Now we can bring the white over. Now this is tricky. The hole's here, but we want it here. So we're going to have to go round, quite a long way round. Like this. There we are, and now we can get the white ball closer to the white socket. Let's move the hole round again, a long detour. There, and now we can put the white cream coloured ball in the socket. So we've solved the blue and these three. Step 3 is to solve the next layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need the grey here. Here's the grey. How can we get the grey there? We can move the hole, bring the grey closer, and then we have to take a long detour. Like that. Now we can put the grey in position. Next, let's do the yellow. So same principle. Let's get the yellow closer. And now a long detour. The yellow goes one step closer to the hole, and now a long detour again. There, and now the yellow can finally go in position. Remember, we solved this first, then these three. Oh, this is now out of place, but we can fix that later. And we're working on this outer layer. Okay, let's fix this. So this is the brown, and there's the brown ball. So, and the hole is here. So let's bring the hole closer. And here's the brown ball. I don't want to disturb the cream, so let's go this way. And now let's bring the hole round this way. There, the brown is inching closer to its home socket. Let's do the detour. Like this. And again. There. And once more. There, and the brown can now go in place. So we've got the blue, these three solved. Oh, this one's mucked up. So we've got this, the blue solved. These three were solved, but this grey one's got mixed up. The brown is solved. Here is the green we want here. Now we don't want to disturb the brown, so we can move the ball like this and push it directly over there. It's a little tricky, but it does work. So now we've got solved, these solved, 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 solved. Just these two to go. Let's try and get the grey in here. Here's the hole. So we want to swing the hole round and inch the grey closer. Now we can move this ball directly down there, and the grey can go directly over to there. There. Okay, so blue solved, solved. This one is unsolved. We need a dark green, which is here. The hole, unfortunately, is... Oh, the hole's here, not too far away. So let's move the hole closer. And now we can put that in position. There. Okay, how's it looking? So solved, 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 solved. Solved, solved, solved. This one is wrong. Just that one to go. Pink. Here's the hole. So let's do a detour. Being careful not to muck up what we've already done. Now we can put this ball over here. You need long fingers to do this. It's a little tricky, but it does work. There. So we've solved step 1, step 2 and step 3. All solved. Now let's turn the ball over and we'll do this outer layer. The blue can go directly over here. The orange can come down. Yellow solved. Purple solved. This one's wrong, so let's put the green over. Remember, that's the South Pole, so let's have a look. We're doing this outer layer. Solved, solved, solved. Black. Black can come over here. There. These two are not right, so let's put the purple, dark purple here and the light coloured mauve over there. North Pole, all solved, all solved. Yes, 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 yes. Grey has to go here, just go directly. And red over here. And that's it. South Pole is empty, as it should be. Yay! And that's the big rainbow ball. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Yay.